In today's world, information is everywhere. But not all information is true or useful. That's why learning how to gather reliable information is very important. First, always start with a clear goal. Know what you are looking for. This helps you avoid distractions and focus on the right sources. Next, look for trusted sources. These include official websites, government portals, well-known news organizations, educational sites, and research institutions. Avoid unknown blogs or random social media posts unless they provide solid proof or links to verified sources. Cross-check your facts. Don't rely on just one website or article. Read from at least 2 or 3 different sources and compare what they say. If all of them say the same thing, it's more likely to be true. Check the author and date of the information. Is the author an expert on the topic? Is the information recent? Old or outdated data can be misleading, especially in fields like health, science, or technology. Watch out for bias. Some sources may try to push an opinion rather than share facts. Look for balanced information that presents both sides or uses evidence to support its claims. Use fact-checking websites when in doubt. Platforms like Snopes, FactCheck.org, or PolitiFact help you verify rumors, news, or viral content. Also, try to use primary sources. These are original materials like research papers, official reports, or direct interviews. They're more reliable than summaries or third-party opinions. Finally, trust your judgment. If something sounds too good to be true or too extreme, take a step back. Double-check before accepting it as fact. By following these steps, you can make sure the information you collect is accurate, balanced, and trustworthy. Remember, reliable information helps you make better decisions, avoid false claims, and become a smarter digital citizen.